Hello everyone, Namaskara. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. If you already following Instagram, then you will be knowing me very well that I am Yashaswini. So where I am teaching spoken Kannada and Instagram for all the non-Kannada speakers. Here in YouTube, I used to take only academic classes for children. But recently, after so many requests, I am starting this Kannada classes in YouTube also. But unfortunately, I also saw that there are similar kind of a teaching pattern is being followed by a few of the people already. So if you are already following them, that's completely fine. Knowledge comes from anywhere. It's a good knowledge. So don't say no for the knowledge. So here, if you're already following me in Instagram, you already know that. So I don't jump into the sentences randomly. I don't come up with random sentences and predefined sentences. We start learning from the basics. Right from the pronunciation, pronoun, questioning words, verbs, tenses, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, then prepositions, conjunctions, lot many things will happen in spoken Kannada classes. And for your information, there is also a book is being launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. It's an e-book. It's a spoken Kannada book for every non-Kannada speaker. You should buy this book. I recommend you this book because the book is completely colloquial version. So you will enjoy once you start reading it, once you start understanding. So the lessons will help you to go through the book. So in the book there are lot many activities. Here I'll be teaching you the lessons. So activities you can go refer the book, and also a few activities will be given in the video also. So let's start. Let's not wait. I won't make you wait with the long speeches and all. So we'll start with our first class of a spoken Kannada. So here is our first class, where we'll be concentrating on the pronunciation and the pronoun. So we'll start. So if you know, we have many languages in India. So most of the languages are connected. So which either has a base of Sanskrit mostly. So even the Kannada has a base of a Sanskrit. So where it follows a few of the pronunciation, mostly the pronunciation follows the Sanskrit letters, and it also follows the few of the grammar rules are carried from the Sanskrit. So first, let's learn the pronunciation of the letters. So we have basically 49 letters in Kannada. So let me say the letters. It's just for your reference. I think that you should be knowing the pronunciation of the letters, how many letters are there. It will help you in future. So we'll start with the letters pronunciation. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kh, G, Gh, Gny, Cha, Ch, J, Jh, Ny, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Ba, Sh, Sh, Sa, Ha, La. So this is the pronunciation. If you want to remember very easily, then we have a quick song, the song which I used to teach to my students. This song I saw in a YouTube and I took from there. So thank you so much YouTube for giving me this song. So let me say the song. It's similarly like ABCD. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya, Da, 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 Na, Da, 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 Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma, Ya, Ra, La, Ba, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La, Ya, Ra, La, Ba, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. So this is a song which will help you to remember the letters. So there are few letters. If you would have observed, there are two N in Kannada and there are two L in Kannada. So one N will take the tongue. If you observe, the tongue will touch upper portion of your mouth. The one more, the tongue will touch your teeth. Similar in both the case. One will touch up in the L and one will touch your teeth. N, ta ta da da na, ta ta da da na. Nanu, where tongue will touch your teeth. Hana, na na, Anna. Anna is a brother, elder brother. na, the tongue will touch upper portion of your mouth. And the one more, la. Illi, here, illi. La, la, halla, la, helu, la. The tongue has to touch upper portion of your mouth. A small mistake with the pronunciation will change the meaning of your word also. So I'll talk about this in a further classes. So let's come to the pronoun now. So what is pronoun? Why we need to learn the pronoun first in the beginning of the classes? Pronouns are basically the addressing words. So I want to talk to someone or someone is talking to me. The first thing they talk is, how are you? What's your name? I am in the call. I am coming. So wherever you see I, we, you, he, she, they will be used as addressing words. I want to address someone or someone is addressing me. The addressing words are very, very important. So because of this reason, we are learning the words first, not the sentences. No, don't get confused. We are just learning the words. So here in the pronoun, you will get the little bit of a notes after in this video only. So here we are learning the pronoun. And the pronoun, I'll just, for my understanding, I'll just break into 3 parts. So one is the first person, one is the second person, and the one more is the third person. And in this also, in every part of this, we have a singular and plural. We have a singular and plural. So why do we use the singular or plural? So plural or with respect you can say. Singular you will use with your loved ones, basically with your friends, best friends. Hey, yo, dude. So it's not exactly the dude and all. Hare, oh and all. So you will use basically to your loved ones or basically the loved ones or the younger ones actually. But most of the cases even younger ones will be called with the respected version. But still, if you are okay with this, you will use with your loved ones or younger ones. Okay, and here the plural will be used for many. So as the name says, the respected version, same word will be used for elderly people and more importantly with the strangers. You are encountering with any of the strangers, whoever the person, you don't know the person, don't go with the singular version immediately. Don't talk in a singular version. That will make your language sounds very rude. So you need to be very polite when you have a conversation or communication with anyone. So always it's recommended to use a respected or a plural version while you are doing a conversation. I hope I am clear in this. So if you are clear with this, we'll go with the next version. I'll keep this in a board. So if you want, you can take a screenshot. So first we'll learn with the first person. So what is the first person that I'm talking about? So the first person is I'm talking about myself. So I want to talk about myself. Then how should I start with? For example, my name is Yashaswini. I am Yashaswini. Basically I'll take I am Yashaswini. So how do I say? I am Yashaswini. So the first word is I or I am. So which is Nanu. 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 No, not Nanu. It's Nanu. So I am Yashaswini is Nanu Yashaswini. So you learned a sentence here, right? So Nanu Yashaswini and Yashaswini. The next word I'll go. This is a singular version, okay? The plural or with respect of this version will be we. For example, we are Indians. We are Indians. We are students. So here I would say Navu. For example, we are students. Navu students. One more sentence. Now Indians, now colleagues, now friends, now engineers, now doctors, now lawyers. It can be anything. See? So now a lawyer, now a lawyer. I am a lawyer, we are lawyers. Clear? So there will be a little plural version. That's fine without grammar, a little bit of a grammar corrections. That's fine, no worries. So now we can go with this. So we learned 2 words, Nanu and Navu. I hope you are clear with this. We'll go with the next one as my pen, my mobile, my car, my bike. Mine is Nanna. Nanna bike, Nanna mobile, Nanna car, Nanna bag, Nanna book, Nanna laptop, Nanna phone, Nanna message. So you see, one more sentence, 3 sentences. Nanu, I or I am. Navu is a we. My is nanna. Clear? So if the word is too much of a possessive, you are saying this is mine, then how do you say? So in that case, you will say nannadu. Nannadu. Nannadu car. Car nannadu. E car nannadu. E bike nannadu. So we use one more letter there, E. So that we will talk about that in a later on classes. So this is just keep it in mind. So all that I am writing right now is a written version. It's a written version, but be careful, we don't talk in a written version when we have a conversation. So we'll go with the next one, my. The plural form of this is our. You might have seen the metro. If you are traveling in metro in Bengaluru, then you will say Namma Bengaluru. Our Bengaluru, Namma metro, our metro. It's a Namma. Very famous word in Bengaluru is Namma. Namma metro, Namma Bengaluru. Namma car, Namma lunch box, Namma pillow, anything. So that is Namma. Okay. Again, same thing. But the very possessive version, it would become Nammadu. E car Nammadu. E jaga Nammadu. This place is ours. So that will be ours. Okay. So I hope you have understood these. And the next 2 words which I am going to write is, you don't have an exact version. You don't have an exact version in English where I can just translate just like that. So which is very difficult to translate exactly like that. So the words are Nanage and Namage. Nanage and Namage. Nanage, for example, Nanage. I want coffee. Nanage coffee beku. Want is beku. I'll write few words because I am using right now this one. Beku is want. Don't want is beda. Don't want is beda. Nanage coffee beda. I don't want coffee. Nanage coffee beku. I want coffee. So here namage again. Namage coffee beda. We don't want coffee. Namage coffee beku. We want coffee. So wherever you want to express about the choice or the options, we use this nanage or namage. So as you start using it, you will understand because we don't have an exact meaning for this. I hope I made clear with the first person of pronoun. So I told you this is a written version. So what is a colloquial version? Colloquial version is the one where we start speaking. So let me write the colloquial version. Nan Yashaswini. So I don't say Nanu always most of the times. I say Nan Yashaswini. Now students. Now. Basically the end letter is going off. Nan mobile. Nan mobile. Nandu. Nandu. I'm really sorry for the background noise. Nam metro. Nam metro. And it is Namdu. As you start using, you will understand. It's Nange. Nange beda. Namu beku. Nange or Namge. Namg. You can also tell Nang beda and also say Nam beda. Both of this can be used. I'm really sorry, there is too much of a disturbance. The dog's barking, so it won't stop all over the night. So it's very difficult to make the videos. Kashta agate. Fine. So I hope you have understood this lesson, the first lesson of spoken Kannada, where we did about the first person, the spoken Kannada pronoun first person. And the first person we learned I, we, my, mine, our, ours, and 2 other words which is completely different, where we don't have exact meaning in English. And also we learned 2 other words, beku and beda. And also we learned 2 more words, that is adu and this is idu. So please make a note of all these things so that it will be used in the next classes. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. Comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ or write mail to me at yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. You can purchase the book Spoken Kannada ebook where the complete thing is being given, so that will help you as a reference book for you. So please go buy the book. It is the link is given in the description box. It's an ebook. You can carry the book wherever you want and you can start learning whenever you want. It's in a price, in a very minimal price, so please go purchase ಮಾಡಿ. Do let me know of the feedback of the book also, and share ಮಾಡಿ with this video with your non-Kannada speaking friends who are eagerly waiting to learn Kannada. There are many more lessons are waiting ahead, so where we'll be learning Kannada in a very interactive and a fun way. So thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for listening the lesson, the first lesson. I'll meet you all with the one more lesson, the second lesson, the second person of a pronoun very soon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, thank you so much. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, and share this with your friends. Knowledge gains only when you share, and also please start practicing. Use the words whatever is being we learnt in today's class. Also follow my Instagram handle so that you will get more lessons in Instagram handle too. Thank you so much. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. I'll meet you all with one more class. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.